guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a first impressions and review of some of the things from the NYX Bear With Me collection. I didn't get everything. I did not get the primer and I didn't get the cheek tint, but I did get the tinted skin veil, the multitasking spray. It's supposed to prime, set, and refresh. And then when you bought some of the things, you got the brow setter included. That was when I ordered it off of Ulta. So I just wasn't interested in the primer, and y'all know I'm just like sort of getting into blush. So I already did my eyebrows, my eye makeup, so I'm just gonna go ahead and set with the brow setter. It has cannabis sativa seed oil. So let's see how it feels. Honestly, it's white. I'm scared. It's white. I was expecting it to be clear. But what I was gonna say is, honestly, I don't think you can mess up a brow gel. Like, I just feel like I feel like it's one of those things that has to be hard to mess up. I've never had a bad one. Even though it's white, it's not like it's not putting any product in my eyebrow. It's nice. I like it. I mean, we'll see if it actually said anything, but from the looks of it, it made all my hairs lay down pretty nicely. So, but like I said, you can't really mess up a brow. So let's go ahead. Y'all know I love spraying setting sprays like multiple times in between the process of putting on my makeup. So before I go in with the skin veil, I'm gonna go ahead and spray the multitasking spray. It's supposed to have up to 8 hours of hydration, and like I said, it's a primer, it sets your makeup, and it's a refinish and it's a refresher, and also it's supposed to give the skin a dewy glow, and it's supposed to feel hydrating. So let's go ahead and spray this real quick. The mist on this is so fine. Honestly, if I didn't hear it clicking, I don't think that I would feel anything coming out of my face. And it's definitely spraying. It's just so fine. Wow. That's really nice. It smells like, I don't know what it smells like. It smells like water with like a little bit of something in it. So for the tinted skin veil, my lighting's a little bright. So for the tinted skin veil, I got it in deep mocha. There really wasn't that many colors, even online. I didn't see in the store, but online I think there was like maybe 8 colors, and y'all know how that goes. The deeper colors did not make up the majority of it. Let me just double check. Sorry, okay. It actually had 12 shades. And as per usual, there weren't too many dark shades and there wasn't too much variation, but also with only 12 shades, I'm not really expecting to see a lot of different color shades, honestly. And it's $13. It's pretty affordable. So let's go ahead and put it on. So like I said, it's a skin veil, so I'm thinking BB cream. It's supposed to provide a fresh face look, even out skin tone, provides seamless coverage, and is a breathable, weightless formula that makes skin look luminous, does not streak, and provides up to 8-hour wear. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm excited. I kind of want to use a brush with it just to see, but also I ain't washed my makeup brushes in a hot minute, y'all. So I'm just doing like a little squeeze. I don't know if it's my color. It's a little dark. You'll see. It's a little. It looks like it might be a little dark. Put some on the forehead. We'll see. I literally just took a little bit because I don't like a lot of foundation. So we'll see how far. I'm gonna need some more than this. Yeah. It says light coverage. It means light coverage. That's for sure. I'm gonna need a little bit more. But it looks really good. Like, it looks like skin. I don't think that I can tell that I put anything on. 10. Oh my god. Wow. And yeah, I said it didn't look like my color, but it is. It matches the rest of my, don't match my chest, but it matched my arms and stuff. It's a good in between. Wow. Y'all, for real, this looks like skin. Oh my god. It doesn't look like I have anything on, but I know I have something on because it's covering up like those little dark areas that I have, a little discoloration. Wow. I'm pretty impressed. I am pretty impressed. It looks really good. I'm gonna spray again. As you know, spray in between every step, y'all. That's how you look like you're not wearing anything. There was no concealer in this line, so they recommended using it with the can't stop, won't stop. So I'm gonna use a little bit of that. I don't like to wear I don't like to wear concealer and foundation at the same time because to me, I always feel like I end up looking cakey. So I'm gonna do a little bit to brighten under the eye, highlight, you know, the work. Oh, and I'm using the concealer in Golden. I'm just gonna blend it out. Like putting actual concealer on my forehead, so I just take whatever happens to be left over in the sponge and hit it right there, but no actual concealer. Wow. Now I'm like really impressed. We're gonna have to, of course, we're gonna have to see how long it lasts, but baby, it don't look like I'm wearing any makeup. You can kind of tell I'm wearing some concealer. Put some on my nose because that shit looks sunburned as fuck. But oh, it looked good, yo. It looked good. This is about to be my new summer thing. I really usually put out all my foundations for the summer. I don't like wearing a lot of fake product, but foundation for the most part I really just can't get with during the summer. And this looks really good. It's not a foundation, this is more like a BB cream. But, and I'm wearing concealer on top and I like it, y'all. Alright, so I'm gonna spray again. I'm gonna do a little cream contour today. I love this, y'all. Oh my god, it really feels so lightweight. I can see myself buying another one to put in my bag to take with me because that is good. I'm gonna take my LA Girl Pro Conceal in Mahogany and do a little bit of cream contour. Alright, and then of course, you know, my Anastasia Beverly Hills powder bronzer. I'm just going to use a little bit because I did cream contour, just to kind of set it. Literally just a little bit. For blush, I'm going to take the Ulta Cheek Color in Fame. Looks like this. It's just a real dusty pink color. spray again before I put some highlighter on. For highlighter, let's be different. Let's switch it up a little bit, y'all, because y'all know I use the same highlighter every single day. And I'm trying to grow from that. So I'm going to take, so I'm going to take the Clean Color Baked Brush and Bronzer. This is in the shade Fruit Sorbet. It looks like this. It's real pink and iridescent. And apply that to my cheeks. Alright, final spritz. My face honestly looks like I'm not wearing anything. It just, my skin looks so perfect, guys. Like, it looks so good. And that is it. So I'm gonna pop in later on in the day. It's currently 1:37. I'll pop in later in the day and let you guys know how I feel about how it wore. And if it really lasts 8 hours, but so far I'm like really impressed. It looks really good. It looks really natural. Like I said, you can't really tell that I'm wearing a lot of face makeup. Like, my face looks so natural. This is about to become my summer go-to for the rest. I mean, for the rest of eternity, honestly, because I don't like too much face makeup. This looks, it looks so good. I keep looking down because I'm like, wow, this looks so good. Hey guys, so basically I'm just popping in right now because I forgot to record the clip the day that I filmed this video, an hour later, and show you how the foundation, well, this skin veil, held up throughout the day, but it's fantastic, and I'm wearing it again today. I'm wearing the whole, everything I reviewed again today. I love these products, and since the skin veil is just beautiful on the skin, like y'all, just foundation wear. Foundation wear. But yeah, that's all I wanted to say. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you tried this, let me know what you think down below. And if you think you're gonna try it, I mean, I think you should. I really think that y'all should go pick it up. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And until next time, spread love, be kind. Bye.